fifth gear, touch the throttle. It's pressurizing K1 circuit. That off. It is not energizing K1 circuit. According to the chart, it is not supposed to be energizing K1 in fifth or sixth gear. But this clearly is, because it is showing me that the pressure switch, number one, is grounding while accelerating in fifth and not grounding while decelerating. Touch the throttle. You can see by the tachometer. Let off. Touch the throttle. Let off. Touch the throttle. This is where the code comes in. I found that if I put the scanner on global OBD, it will set the code right away in this in fifth gear when this happens. Problem is, it does not show me any lights on the dashboard. The car will drive fine. I can slow down to the point where it'll go into fourth. Well, maybe not. Nope. Now it's going to stay stuck in fifth. Pedal to the floor. All right. Normally it will downshift and work fine, but this is where the problem is happening in fifth gear. When I am driving just like that, it will cause malfunctions. Anything after that, it sometimes stays stuck in sixth. Sometimes it will make its way down to third gear, limp mode. No rhyme or reason why it does the things it does, but now it is staying in fifth gear, will not come out of fifth gear. I'm going to slap it over it. Nope, even manual shifting and the Tiptronic will not move. Let's see when I come to a complete stop here, if it'll downshift to third. Yep, so now it's locked in limp mode, and sorry about that. It's locked in limp mode, and it won't come out of limp mode until I clear the codes.